planning your next big adventure in 2025? Today we are comparing two of the most popular travel planning apps out there, Tripit and Wanderlog. Whether you are a frequent flyer or planning a once in a lifetime trip, this video will help you decide which tool fits your style. Overview. First up, let's break down what each app does. Tripit is all about organization. It automatically pulls travel confirmations from your email and compiles them into one streamlined itinerary. Flights, hotels, car rentals, and even dinner reservations. Wanderlog, on the other hand, is more like an all-in-one trip planner with collaboration features. You can create detailed itineraries, add notes, pin attractions, track expenses, and even plan road trips, all within the same app. User interface and ease of use. When it comes to user experience, Tripit keeps things minimal and efficient. It's ideal for travelers who want a set it and forget it itinerary manager. The app syncs with your calendar and even provides real-time flight alerts with the Pro version. Wanderlog is visually richer and more interactive. It's perfect for visual planners who like maps, timelines, and the ability to customize every part of the trip. It also supports drag and drop planning and works great for group travel. Features comparison. Now let's talk about features. Tripit Pro includes perks like seat tracking, check-in reminders, and gate change alerts. But if you do not pay for Pro, it's mainly focused on itinerary compilation. Wanderlog gives you a wider set of free features. You can research attractions, get distance estimates, collaborate with friends, and track costs, all without needing to upgrade. That said, Wanderlog doesn't automatically pull bookings from your email like Tripit does. You will have to forward confirmations or add them manually. So if automation is your priority, Tripit wins. But if you want creativity and flexibility, Wanderlog shines. Best for whom? So who is each app best for? Use Tripit if you are a business traveler or frequent flyer who wants a hassle-free way to keep everything in one place. Choose Wanderlog if you are planning multi-stop vacations, road trips, or group travel and want a collaborative, map-based planning tool. In 2025, both Tripit and Wanderlog are excellent, but they serve different types of travelers. If you value automation and flight tracking, go with Tripit. If you want creative control and planning with friends, go with Wanderlog. Now let us know down below in the comments, which one do you prefer? And if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, and comment your next travel destination below. Thank you for watching and goodbye.